Want smoother frame rates? Updating your graphics drivers is the fastest fix. First, save work and check your GPU model in Windows Device Manager. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and note the exact adapter name. NVIDIA, visit GeForce Drivers, select your GPU and OS, then click Search. Download and run GeForce Installer. Choose Custom Installation and check Clean Install. After install, restart and open GeForce Experience to confirm the new driver version. AMD, go to Radeon Adrenalin download page, auto-detect, or select your product. Install Radeon software, choose Express or Custom, then let the installer finish and restart. Intel, use Intel Driver and Support Assistant, run the scan, download the recommended driver. Run the Intel installer and restart, then verify the driver version in Device Manager. Troubleshoot. If performance drops, roll back the driver or perform a clean reinstall in safe mode. Final tips: set power to maximum performance, update Windows, and restart before gaming.